Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate letterhead designs with Vistaprint, full guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Vistaprint website. Navigate to the letterhead section. Browse through the available templates to find a design that suits your brand. Select a template to open the customization options. Upload your logo by clicking on the designated upload area. Adjust the logo size and positioning to fit your letterhead layout. Enter your business information such as name, address, and contact details in the text fields provided. Choose the font style, size, and color to match your brand identity. Preview your design to ensure that all elements align correctly. Make any necessary adjustments to spacing or alignment for a professional appearance. Once satisfied with the design, click on the Add to Cart button. Review your order details in the shopping cart. Proceed to checkout by entering your shipping and payment information. Finalize your order by clicking the confirmation button. Wait for a confirmation email that includes your order details. Once received, monitor your email for shipping updates. Upon arrival, open your package to check the print quality of your letterhead. Use your letterhead for official correspondence, ensuring it represents your brand well. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.